When's the last time you got truly great sleep? I'm not talking about 4 hours of tossing and turning. I'm not talking about passing out from exhaustion. I mean the kind of sleep that restores you, the kind that makes you wake up and say, yes, I'm ready. Let's go. If you're struggling to remember, you're not alone. We live in a world that glorifies hustle and undervalues rest. We celebrate the all-nighters, the early risers, the work while you sleep mentality. But let me ask you this. What's the point of working around the clock if you're running on empty? Here's the truth. Sleep. It isn't a luxury. Sleep isn't a weakness. Sleep is a biological necessity. Sleep is your superpower. Let's get real about what happens when you close your eyes. Number one, the brain cleans itself. Literally, it clears out the waste, resets memory, and strengthens your ability to learn. Your body begins to repair itself. Muscles rebuild, hormones regulate, your immune system reloads, your emotions rebalance. You wake up calmer, clearer, and happier. Your decision making, your focus, your energy, they don't just improve, they depend on sleep. Think about this. You wouldn't expect your phone to function if it never recharged. So why do we expect our minds and bodies to run on a low battery? I think it was Thomas Dekker. He said, sleep is the golden chain that ties health and our bodies together. And science backs it up too. Getting less than 6 hours of sleep consistently is linked to increased anxiety, poor concentration, weakened immunity, and even chronic illness. But on the flip side, a well-rested mind is creative. A well-rested mind is resilient. A well-rested soul, unstoppable. Great sleep isn't just about being rested. It's about being fully present in your life. So tonight, don't feel guilty for turning your phone off early. Don't apologize for choosing your health over one more episode, one more email, one more scroll. Sleep isn't something you fit in. It's something you honor. Tonight, I invite you to do one radical, revolutionary thing for your mind, your body, your future. Get some sleep. And when you wake up tomorrow, fully charged, fully present, you'll remember why you started. So sweet dreams, and here's to a stronger you. Listen, if you're on a journey to grow, heal, or rise, hit that subscribe button because this space is for you. And we will walk this path together because if you can think it, you can dream it. And if you can dream it, then you can achieve it.